I'm going to show you how to import and export Crimson Desert save files, or basically use save files from others or give save files to others. So the first thing you'll need to do is right click on the start button and click on run. Now type %sign local updata %sign and press OK. And it should open up this folder. Now you want to look for Pearl Abyss folder, which is this one. Open it up and then open CD and then save. Now you should find the folder with your Steam ID number. Just open it up. And in this directory, you should find folders called slot 0, 1, 2, and up to 11, I think. Now, if you open any of these folders, you should find lobby.save and save.save. These are your save files. Now, to give these to a friend, you basically want to select the save slot that you want to give. You can also select multiple ones and copy them, or basically add them to an archive. For example, zip here. If you have WinRAR installed, you can call them saves, and then you can basically drag this file out and send it to your friend over Discord or Google Drive. And your friend can basically download this file, extract these folders to their desktop, and they should go to the same directory, which is local updata Pearl Abyss CD save and then their Steam folder ID. Now they can copy your save files or the files you've got, and then basically either place them directly here, overwriting existing saves, or you can basically place them on different slots. So if you have 0, 1, 2 slots on your current game that you don't want to override or overwrite, you can get your friends' slots and basically change them to slot 5 and slot 6 and then slot 7, for example. And then you can copy these and place them inside this folder. Now you kept your original saves, and then your friend or whoever saves you've got are now placed on slot 5, 6, and 7. Now you're pretty much done with importing saves. While doing this, make sure the game is completely closed. And after you place the saves or you copy them to your directory, you can close this folder and then just open up the game. And then you basically open up the saves menu and load from slot 5, 6, and 7. And that should basically load in with your friends' saves or whoever saves you've got. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.